really efficient, even though I mean these intercoms. We have been in all the three staircases here on Tammelan Puistokatu 30 to 32, staircases A, B and C. This is the staircase A with 8 floors as well.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is ylös. Look at this. Okay, this is also built in 1961. Turning 16 is oldest year number is 1991. The serial number is H9129. And I believe this must be late 1961.
Yeah.
It's gonna be inspected in the next year, 2022. Now it's gone.
Yeah.
Very efficient building.
Yeah.
I like the sounds in here.
Same here.
You never know, some of these can be efficient.
Yeah.
But we have to be fast still.
Yeah.
But if we get into MP8, then only one ride.
Yeah.
Because then we have to go to Airport after that.
Yeah.
Stupid.
Yeah.
But it's okay. I went to the first sense.
Yeah.
And then it's gonna go to you.
Yeah.
No, it forgot to go. So it can only take one at a time.
Yeah.
And now we know that. And yeah, the interior was refurbished sometime in the late 1990s. But the interesting thing is that they didn't put the helmet launch the interior.
Yeah.
But they used Kone, and you can press the second time.
Tippaa kiva miten pirkama histekniikka.
So now we also know that you can only take one call at a time.
Strange.
Maybe the memory doesn't work.
Yeah. Fortunately it works in other staircase.
A, B and C.
Yeah.
But it is too low, it doesn't have a staircase. I mean, it doesn't have an elevator. There are only 3 floors in staircase D.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. And this video was way too long, but that's only because it was too busy.
Yeah.
So I'm sorry for that, and that's it.
That's